Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your phone runs Android 8, 0 or newer, and your headphones support Ldac. Once done, enable developer options by tapping build number 7 times. Make sure Bluetooth is on. Next, pair the Ldac-capable device via Settings Bluetooth. Do not skip pairing first. Android only shows codec options after a connected device. Finally, open Developer Options so you can change Bluetooth audio codec settings in the next step. With the device connected, go into Developer Options and locate Bluetooth audio codec. Select Ldac. Once selected, you'll see bitrate and performance options. Choose 990 kbps for maximum quality or 660 kbps for balance. Make sure to set the audio sample rate and bits per sample to match your source. Higher rates reduce resampling. Also check Bluetooth audio Ldac playback quality and prioritize connection over battery if needed. These settings finish by verifying Ldac is active. Play a high-quality track and confirm developer options still shows Ldac as active during playback. If Ldac doesn't appear, toggle Bluetooth off and on, unpair and repair the headset, then reboot your phone. Once done, check your headset firmware. Outdated firmware often blocks Ldac. If problems persist, lower the Ldac bitrate or test another app. Some players force different sample rates. These steps resolve the majority of connectivity or codec negotiation issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.